Hey, what's up everybody? Guess what? 3-valve Wednesday. Hey, I'm Brent. Thanks for watching Brenspeed TV. Today a little something special for you. It's a Gurney Saleen Mustang 2008. Now, according to the old interweb, I think they're supposed to make about max 300 of these. But from what I found online today, I think they might have only made 68. We have car number 54. It's cool. It came in for some mods. Detroit rocker cams, Kooks long tube headers, and our stage 3 upgrade. We'll talk about that more in a minute. So hey, if you haven't, please subscribe and notify us up to date. See cool Mustang videos, all years Mustangs. But right now, Doug's with me. We're gonna go down and check out the engine compartment. Then we're gonna watch a dyno pull. Let's go check it out. So why I spent a few minutes today checking this out is said the internet, okay? The internet. These cars new, back in the day, 58 grand. So I bet back then, I mean, that was pretty salty for a car like this. 465 horsepower, but limited production, and that's flywheel horsepower. Today we're running 93 octane. Of course, it's a Meon transmission. Doug, come down, take a look. We installed our stage 3 upgrade. So this car came with the old Saleen Series 6. These are so popular back in the day. Obviously been discontinued for a long time. But the stage 3, you get the JLT air induction system, 3.4 supercharger pulley. We do Kohler spark plugs. We do Kenny Belt boosted pump, and the proper calibration to make everything run properly. Really cranks up the real horsepower. We're going to check out the numbers we're setting today, which is over 450 to the tires. But these cars from the factory were about 380 the tires. So we installed our Detroit rocker camshafts to give that nice lopey muscle car sound, as well as a set of Kooks long tube headers. Check out this dyno pull. So back in the day when you used to come to Brenspeed, you would see Saleen supercharged Mustangs everywhere and rear wheel. So they normally from the factory would lay down, I think it was like 380 is what it was. We installed a set of Kooks long tubes and said, what the hell? We put on the dyno and made 399 with just the addition of the long tubes, but now we have the cams and the upgrade. Doug, let's take a look. DynoJet SAE rear wheel, 487 of the tires, 6,500 RPM, torque 444 at 4,700 RPM. And that's where these cars always landed back in the day. So if you have a Saleen on your GT, or you have a Saleen Mustang, that sweet Brenspeed Stage 3 upgrade, it's super popular. Doug, I want to take one more look at this. This is the Performance White. It's the Dan Gurney. Really cool car. And like I said, they didn't make a lot of them. So I was pretty excited to see this in the shop. I was excited to tune it. But hey, I'm Brent from Brenspeed. If you have any questions, leave a comment. Maybe you have a Saleen, you want to leave a comment, feel free to do so. And I'll put a link in the description to that stage 3 upgrade, how you upgrade your Saleen supercharger. And for those of you out there that always ask, nope, they are not available anymore. Been discontinued for a long time. But hey, you know what we can do? We have all the service parts for them, and we can rebuild them, or we have upgrades for them as well. And what's this cost to get installed? Email quote@brenspeed.com. We can email you back, let you know the price, and check that description. And again, leave that comment. Thanks for watching.